Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series How to Apply a TUM. This tutorial explains language requirements and certificates. The first info you need to check out is which language your degree program is taught in. For a German language program, you need to prove German language skills of at least B2 level. For an English language program, you need an official English language certificate like TOEFL or previous English studies. For bilingual programs, there are two different types. Some degree programs require both languages. Other degree programs let applicants choose whether they want to study in German or English. Please check online at our degree program database. You need to select a degree program in the search bar, and language requirements and deadlines are displayed. Please note that there is no conditional admission at TUM. You need to upload a valid language certificate until the application deadline. We will now look at an example on our degree program's website. In the search bar, I will select our popular master's degree program in robotics. This opens the program description page. The language requirements are listed here. There is more information available under what is the language of instruction. You can see that this is a bilingual degree program requiring both German and English language skills. You can also see the deadlines by scrolling down and clicking on what application deadlines do I need to meet. The deadlines are listed here. These are mandatory for all language requirements. You cannot apply if you do not have the necessary language certificates until this deadline. If you need to know which language certificates are accepted at TUM, there is a full list available online. Please use the link in the video description or Google TUM language certificates. All minimum scores are listed there. Any certificate not listed is not accepted at TUM. As far as we are concerned, language certificates do not expire. That means we also accept older certificates. Please also note these important facts. There are no language courses at TUM for prospective students. You need to acquire language skills before you may apply. It is sufficient to upload language certificates during the online application. We don't need any hard copy documents. And if you want to prove your language skills by your previous studies, you need to submit documents that clearly state the language of instruction. Please also take the time to read our online application guides. Links are available in the video description on YouTube. Good luck with your application from the Center for Study and Teaching at the Technical University of Munich.